Want a calm, beautiful garden, but don't want the constant upkeep? You're in luck. Today, we're diving into 10 low-maintenance plants that practically take care of themselves while giving you stunning colors, textures, and that peaceful vibe we all crave. Whether you're just starting out or want to simplify your garden as the years go by, these plants are perfect. They're easy, elegant, and many are drought-tolerant too. Let's explore how to bring serenity into your yard without breaking your back or your watering can. Lavender isn't just a pretty face, it's the scent of relaxation. With silvery green foliage and purple blooms that sway in the breeze, this classic herb adds charm to any garden bed or border. It's especially perfect for Mediterranean-style landscapes. The best part? Lavender thrives in poor, rocky soil and needs very little water once established. Just give it a sunny spot and some space to breathe, and it will reward you with flowers year after year. Aside from its beauty, lavender is beloved by bees and butterflies, and even repels mosquitoes. Clip a few stems, dry them, and bring that spa-like scent indoors. One plant, many perks. Heuchera brings year-round beauty to shady spots. Its ruffled leaves come in a rainbow of colors: burgundy, lime, chocolate, even silver. While they do bloom in summer, the foliage is the true star here. These tough little perennials need very little attention once planted. A bit of mulch and the occasional watering during dry spells will keep them happy. Plus, they're great in containers and woodland borders. Best of all, Heuchera is deer-resistant and attracts hummingbirds. That means less nibbling, more fluttering. Not a bad trade-off, right? Sedum, also known as stonecrop, is the go-to for gardeners who want something sculptural and resilient. Its succulent leaves hold water, making it incredibly drought-tolerant and perfect for hot, dry spots. You'll find varieties that stay low and creeping, ideal for borders, or tall types with rosy flower clusters that bloom late in the season. Either way, they're low maintenance and high impact. No deadheading, no fuss. Just plant it in full sun and well-drained soil, and you'll enjoy a beautiful display, even in the toughest parts of your yard. If you're looking for year-round beauty, Japanese Pieris is a gem. This evergreen shrub features glossy foliage and elegant clusters of bell-shaped flowers in spring. It thrives in partial shade and moist, acidic soil, perfect for woodland gardens or shady corners. And once established, it's surprisingly low maintenance. One of its most delightful features is how the new leaves emerge in shades of pink and red, adding an unexpected pop of color to your garden even outside bloom season. Yucca is your best friend if you want bold texture without the watering can. With sword-like leaves and tall spikes of creamy white flowers, it adds a touch of the desert without demanding much in return. This hardy perennial thrives in hot, dry conditions, poor soil, and neglect. Yes, neglect. In fact, it often looks better when you leave it alone. Despite its toughness, yucca is stunning. It's architectural, dramatic, and pairs well with gravel paths or xeriscapes. Talk about beauty with backbone. Daylilies are a tried-and-true favorite, and for good reason. Each bloom may last just a day, but the plant produces so many, you'll enjoy weeks of cheerful color from early summer to fall. They're adaptable to sun or part shade, and they're practically indestructible. Drought, clay soil, deer, daylilies don't care. Plant a mix of varieties for a rainbow of colors and bloom times. With minimal effort, you'll get maximum joy, and maybe even compliments from the neighbors. If you want something soft, wispy, and fragrant, Russian sage is your plant. Its silvery stems and purple-blue flowers sway gracefully in the wind, adding movement and texture to sunny borders. This tough perennial handles heat and drought like a pro. Once it's established, it rarely needs watering or fertilizing. Just give it full sun and a bit of space. It's also a magnet for pollinators like bees and butterflies. But deer and rabbits tend to pass it by. That's a win in any garden. Echinacea, or coneflowers, bring color, resilience, and wildlife into your garden. With their bold daisy-like blooms and sturdy stems, they thrive in both cottage gardens and prairie-style plantings. They love full sun and tolerate drought well, and once they're in the ground, they'll keep coming back stronger each year, with very little help from you. Plus, birds love the seed heads in fall, and pollinators can't resist the blooms. It's not just a plant, it's a whole little ecosystem. Hostas are the shade garden's best-kept secret. Their lush leaves come in countless sizes and colors, from blue to gold to variegated green and white. They're incredibly easy to grow and only ask for a little moisture and shelter from hot sun. Once settled, they'll quietly fill your beds with elegance for years. And don't overlook their flowers. Some hostas send up fragrant lavender or white blooms in summer. A peaceful touch in those cooler corners of your yard. Fountain grass is the definition of graceful. Its soft, arching blades and fluffy flower spikes add motion and softness to your landscape, even when there's not much else blooming. Ideal for warmer zones, this ornamental grass is as low maintenance as they come. It thrives in sun, tolerates drought, and needs little more than a yearly trim. Use it in borders, containers, or as a soft hedge. It's like planting a breeze, one that sways, shimmers, and soothes. So, which of these beauties are already in your garden? Or which one are you adding next? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this tour through Easy Care Serenity, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell for more garden wisdom, straight from soil to soul.